Hey guys, what's up? It's Sarah, and today we are doing the amazing Victorian skull transfer on one of our Couture canvas 18 by 18 pillow covers. And this transfer is absolutely unbelievable. I have to tell you, I am not a fan of Halloween. I very seldom decorate for it. It's just not my jam. But when I saw this transfer, I absolutely fell in love. I love the vintage look, the vintage vibe. It looks like it's pages just torn from an old dusty book from a haunted house. I can't explain it. I fell in love with it, so I absolutely had to do it. So I am using our Couture ink, of course, and I'm just covering all the areas with this transfer because it's big and very detailed. You want to make sure that you go slow. Of course, I sped up here, but I'm actually working fairly slow to make sure that I get all of the detail covered up. You want to make sure that you get into all those little crevices and nooks and crannies in this skull and the chandelier. Oh my gosh, wait until the reveal. This is one of my new favorite transfers. You're going to fall in love. So I'm just going to finish up here and then look at this slow motion peel. Oh my gosh, is that not the coolest? I am in love with this transfer, and you will be too.